Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to export products on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to my products. And in here, you should be able to see all the products that I have on my store. I have these products right here. I have actually in here 6 products. So if I want to actually export them, I can head over and click on this export option. Now you can click on this current page or all the products that you have right here, or you can also select the products as well. So for example, I only want to export this 5 products. I can click on this export right here and I can click on this selected right here. So you can also choose the CSV for Excel numbers or other spreadsheet programs, or you can also choose this plain CSV files. So for example, for me, I'll just choose this one, click on export products right here. And then once I have done that, it will export this product for me and I should be able to download it right here. So let's head over and click on open file right here. And then in here, this will open my Excel file. And then in here, I should be able to see the actual thing that I have for this particular store. I have this in here, the product of my store in CSV file format, as well as everything that we have on this. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.